Hey guys, this is your friend Mainav from Civil Center and I welcome all of you back to our channel and another video on Tekla Structural Designer. So friends, we'll see in today's video the complete steps of loading as per IS code in the THD software. So let's get started. Now we'll proceed for the loading part. So for proceeding with the loading part, let's go to the base and let's take the particular dead load. So we'll take some load and we'll go to full UDL and we'll apply 10 kilonewton per meter for all the external walls here, which we are having here. And these external walls, we're going with the 10 kilonewton per meter load here, and for the internal walls we're going with 5.5 kilonewton per meter loads for all the internal walls. And this, as you can see, basement has been done. Let's go to the next level, and here let's take the dead load, and here we'll take full UDL and we'll take load of 10 and apply it in all the boundary. And in the interior, let's give this 5. And after that we'll go to structure 3D, or either go to structure 1 and then go to the imposed loads. Just for the residential building, give a live load of 2 kilonewton per meter square. And after that we'll go to structure and we'll just go say the dead loads here and the imposed loads here. So we'll go to the model and we'll go to construction levels. We'll copy the one this particular loads to the remaining floors except the terrace level. These two levels will copy this, and after that we'll make this back as unique. Okay, and after that let's go to the terrace level, that is the structure 4 level, and here we'll just put the load for the parapet wall. We'll take the dead load and we'll take the loading and the level load. Here let's take a load of 11 and or 10 and apply it in the part of the staircase full UDL, and here let's give 10 and then apply it in the staircase part for the headroom, and then we'll just go with 2 and apply it for the parapet walls. So after this has been done, we'll just now go with the particular imposed loads. Level load of 2 done. After that, check in the structure 3D, check in the model whether everything is unique or not. Okay, everything is unique. So now the modeling and loading has been done. So now if you want, you can apply the remaining loadings as well. So now we'll apply the wind load as well using the wind wizard. So for that we'll go to particular option of model. Since the wind load wants the structure to be rectangular, so we'll consider that into action. So we'll select this part and this one and this one, and then we'll just select this one, and this plinth level and up to this much, and we'll start from here, 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 and here. Last part is remaining, so choose it properly, this, and then this. So just validate it. Validation is okay. Then I'll just go to load, go to wind wizard, worst case data we'll consider, and then I'll just give the basic wind speed of 45, and then next 5 meter fetch distance, next finish, apply some load cases here, add 4 in 4 directions, 0, 90, 180 and 270, and then okay. And then after that go to seismic load, seismic wizard, and after going to seismic wizard, code spectra, and then ignore seismic below plinth level, importance factor of 1 for residential building, model response spectrum analysis, ordinary moment resisting frames, RC moment resisting frames. You can see in the previous method also. And after that, next moment frame systems, you have to select. Next include the dead load and live loads, next, and then finish, and then select this operating, after that next, and then next, and then finish. And after this what we'll do is we'll go to design, or before that load combinations, generate the combinations, next, just select the load combinations here, next, next, and then finish, okay, design, and design all static. Friends, that's all for today's video. In this video we had seen the complete steps of loading dead load, live load, wind load and seismic load as per the IS code. In the upcoming video we'll see how to make the structures safe in the Tekla Structural Designer software. Bye bye and keep learning.